So, why do we need multiple versions of ESP32 packages? Well, let me tell you a quick story. A few days ago, I was compiling the code for my digital pocket clock using Arduino IDE, but suddenly I got an error saying this function is not declared in the scope. Now, this was a strange because the function is actually a part of built-in ESP32 library. So after a bit of research, I found this function is removed from the newer version of ESP32 packages. That's when I realized to make my code work, I have to downgrade the ESP32 packages. But instead of uninstalling the current version and installing the older version every time, I found a better way. Installing multiple versions of ESP32 packages so I can easily switch between them whenever I need. So in this video, let's learn how to do that. To install multiple ESP32 packages, go to the Files and then Preferences. Here, click on this button and then copy the link from my description or from my Hackster page. Now paste this link to the next line of additional board manager URLs. Now click on OK and then again OK. Now go to the tools and then click on the board and then open the board manager. Wait till all boards are initializing. Now in the search bar, search ESP32. Now we can see all the ESP32 packages here. This one is from the official ESP32. Now, these are the packages which we want to install. There are total 6 packages, so we can install 6 versions of ESP32 boards. Now here I will install this 0 number board to the latest version of ESP. So it is the 3.2.0, so I am installing this. After the installation is completed, as you can see, this ESP32 board 0 is the 3.2.0 version. Now we will install the next version of ESP32 board. Now here I will select the 3.1.1 version to install in ESP32 board 1. As you can see, this is also completed and here you can see the version is 3.1.1. Now in the next one, which is ESP32 board 2, we will install the ESP version 2.0.10. Now you can see the board 2 is installed with version 2.0.10. In similar way, I have installed the board 3 with version of 2.0.6. Now close this board manager and then go to the tools. Now here click on the board and then you can see all the multiple version of ESP32 packages, but there is a issue. The name of all versions are same. To change the name of different versions, close this Arduino and go to the file manager. Now open the file manager and go to this path. Here you will find the packages folder. Open the packages folder and you can see all the packages which we have installed. Open the one-off folder and go to the hardware ESP32. Here, remember this version. Now open the platform text file in any text editor. Remove this Arduino name and paste your version name here. Now save this file and close it. Now go back to the packages folder and open the second folder and then repeat the process. In similar way, I have edited the text file of all the packages which we have installed. After this process, open the Arduino IDE again. Now in the Arduino IDE, go back to the tools and then board. Here you can see all the multiple version of ESP32 packages with their perfect version names. So in this way, you can install the multiple version of ESP32 packages with different version. Now we will test the one-off board by uploading the Blink code to the ESP32 board. Now here change the built-in GPIO to 2 number and then we will upload the code. After uploading the code, you can see the LED is blinking in the development board. Now let's learn how we can update the packages or change the packages to the different version. Here you can see I'm gonna change the ESP32 board 0 to the version of ESP32 version 3.1.1. So just select the version and click on install. Now after some time, it will be updated. The board name of that particular ESP32 board package is changed. Now we have to repeat the platform text file process to update the name. Now go back to the packages folder and here change the board name of ESP32 board 0 package as we did before. Now completely close the Arduino and reopen it again. Here you can see the board name is changed.